Welcome back, family. It's a new year, so new videos. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for following. We're going straight into it. If you're not subscribed to us on YouTube, make sure you subscribe because we actually answer questions from our YouTube audience here on the YouTube. All right, so today's question is by
Vicky Guy. So Vicky says, we are close to our closing date. My husband wants to pull out because it's been 15 years since we had a house note. Now we are too old for a house note. I feel some type of way too.
Congratulations to you, because that means you already did the process of a mortgage and now you're getting a second one. For whatever reason, you probably sold it, you're downsizing, or maybe you're upgrading and getting something bigger. Whatever it is, we appreciate you. Thank you for subscribing, and congratulations on having a house. You've created and done what most people dream of. So you're already a step ahead.
Woo, Vicky!
So, secondly, I want you to think that you are never too old. Age is only a number that we accept. So you are never too old to get started on anything you want. Always remember that. You're never too old to get started, and you're never too old to accomplish your dreams. So, I understand that you've been out the game for a while. That's what we'll use. And coming back in, a mortgage has changed. Getting a loan has changed. It's not the same as you probably remember it. So, yes, you probably need more documents, and it might be a little more intricate, but it's not something that you can't get done. And obviously, if you're watching this channel, that means you know we make it simple, we make it easy. And as hard as you think it is, I'm telling you, it's not as bad. Now, lastly, if you're feeling like, hey, I don't want a 30-year for whatever reason, I might not live that long or things like that, I want you to understand you don't have to get a 30-year mortgage. That is not written in stone that your mortgage has to be a 30-year. It's not a cookie cutter. It's not a robot. It's not a robot. You do not have to get a 30-year. You can get a 15-year mortgage. You get one smaller. And that means that payments are going to be higher. Your interest rate is going to be lower, though. And it also means that you'll pay it off quicker.
It's just finding a loan officer or a bank, whatever you feel most comfortable going with, who is able to find a mortgage that suits you and what you need out of it.
Yes, not all mortgage loan officers are created equal. You want to find one that's going to find the right program for you. And that's what I tell all my clients, and that's why I tell other loan officers, new loan officers, find out what your client needs. Speak to them. Don't try to just give them one program and say, yes, you must get a 30-year. No. Each person is different. Each person has their own needs, their own concerns, and their own feelings. So, that being said, you also got to remember, you're building equity in this house. You're buying something that you're going to pass down to the future generations. So the more money you put into the house, the more you fix it up, the more things to do that, you will get it back. You might not get to use it, but your family will, and you're creating a generational wealth because houses can be passed down. And 9 times out of 10, real estate tends to go what, Giselle?
Up. Yeah, I like those moves.
Well, I hope that answers your question. If you have any more questions, feel free to put it in the comment section. And also, before you go, please check out my other videos. I have videos explaining what the difference about a loan processor and things like that. Thank you for everything. Thank you for coming with us. We appreciate you. Over
and out.